Everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm not going to make a card, but I want to show you a technique that might be useful in preserving some of your paper stencils. So this should be a short video, and I just wanted to share this with you because it really extended the life of my paper stencils, and I wanted to share that with you. So here we go. Most stencils are these laser cut plastic, which if you care for them after each use, they'll last quite some time. But I found these paper stencils quite some time ago, and it was a pack of 10, and I've already preserved several of these, and this one is my favorite. Let me get these out of the way here. Talk about those in a second. Whoop. And this one I've already preserved, and you can see it has kind of a sheen on it because we're going to coat them. And I use this one quite often. And next week's video will show a card that I make with this particular pattern. And then I also did these other two already. But I want to keep going because I have several others. I have about, I don't know, 7 more that need treated. These do not have the sheen on them, so they're just paper. And as you put mixed media on them and then wash them, or they can break down. So I wanted to coat them to make them last a very long time. So I wanted to show you that process. All right. So what I'm going to do is for the ones that I've already done, I used this product, which is from Ranger, and it's multi-medium matte paste. I also have used texture paste similarly in the past. This is a transparent gloss. I think you can also use Mod Podge or something similar. So what you'll want is some paper towels handy. But basically, let me open this. And once I open, I always seal it with some either cling wrap or press and seal just to keep it from drying out. And you can see it's just a goopy mess in there, but you can use any type of flat brush. These brushes are nice. They came from Tim Holtz Distress. And we're just gonna dip it in, kind of mix it up a little bit. And it's pretty thick, as you can hopefully tell, and we're just going to apply it to both sides. And you do waste some. There's just no way to avoid that because you want to coat the whole pattern. And that's that. And you do want to flip it and do the other side as well. Okay, super easy. So, it's really important to take care of your supplies and, let them last or help them last as long as they can. And that's all there is to that. And I do want to seal this up right away. The less air that you have in these products, it helps them, prevents them from drying out. So just push that cling wrap down and seal it up. Okay, so that's that. And then I'll clean my brush off quickly. And then what I do is you just want to let it dry. So I usually take something with a tip on it, and you want to pull this up, kind of straighten it out a little bit. And you can either prop it up against it, or if it has a hole like this one does, you can just set it in there to dry. And that is it. All right, I hope you enjoyed this quick video. Maybe it's a good tip that you can use. And be sure to join me next week to see the card that I'm going to make using this lattice inspired stencil. All right, until then, make it a great day.